Hi, my name is Mike with Trucks Unique. Today we have the Ford F550, new 2019. Today I'm going to show you that the Pal Pro 20, brought to us by Palfinger. Let me show you how it operates and what we did to this truck today. So we're going to start with the cab. Today you have to start the vehicle. Let the truck warm up to its peak idling, then set the emergency brake. And then we're going to flip this Chelsea switch, which runs the pump that is underneath the truck, to operate the crank. Then we're going to come back to the back of the vehicle, where we're going to make sure this is all set up. So we're going to drop this pin, lower that, make sure this pin is all the way in and secured. We're going to crane it down just to get it to the surface. We're going to come over here and we're going to do the same thing. Make sure your pins are out. Drop to the floor. Set it up. Put your pin back in. Lock it in place. And you're going to crane it all the way down to make sure it touches the floor. And in this box right here, we have some switches that turn on the exterior lights. We also do have lights in the toolboxes themselves. We have the crane control. Now you got to make sure that bubble is level. Then we're going to start by operating the crane. First, we're going to push the stop and then function button. And that will allow us to operate the crane. We will raise the crane. We will move the crane. Left, right. Now, if also need be, when you need to use the air, you can push the function and turn on the compressor. Then we're going to lower it so that we can operate the hoist. We're going to put the hoist down. We're going to put the controls up there. Take the hoist off, let it down. Then we have the control of using the hoist. Lift up by pushing the up button. Extending the hoist, you will have to push the button. Make sure you have enough rope so that you can extend the hoist as far as you need to go. Make sure you watch out for power lines, because power lines will electrocute you. And this is how we operate the crane. Armed out, arms in, left, right, whichever way we need to go. Just as easy as that. Now there is two functions to this button, a slow and a fast mode. If you decompress the button just a little bit, it will be slow. If you press the button all the way down, it will go fast. Okay, and that is how the Palfinger crane works on this vehicle. We also did hook it up with a welder that our leads are in here so that you can weld with the welder in the back of the truck. Air hose? Need an air hose? We got it right here. Just hook up your air tools to it and you're free to go.
Compressor on a demand switch, so that when you plug a tool in and you start using the air capacity, it's going to automatically switch on.
Yes.
Now, does the truck have to be, does the PTO have to be engaged?
Yes.
Okay.
Everything has to be in parking brake on, Chelsea switch on, and then your air will be able to flow. And we do have a tank down there that holds air pressure.
Get your truck ready for anything.